Hello boys, good morning. All the boys of English version 9 and 10 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. We have successfully completed all the contents from, chapter 3, 4 and also from 1 to 3. Now I'd like to submit a topic from chapter 4 in this class, chapter 5. And it's the contribution to science and technology. Muslim contribution to science and technology. Muslim has a great contribution to science and technology. If we talk about this, actually Muslim contribution to medicine is very mentionable. If we talk about medicine first, it's mentionable, and in this regard some great personalities has kept their contribution in a wide range that is historical and unforgettable, and also it may be termed as inevitable and irrefutable. Anyway, those among Muslims who took medicine to the highest peak of development, some are Abu Bakr al-Razi, al-Biruni, Ibn Sina, Ibn Rushd. As per you can see on the board, here I have submitted some great personalities. Our topic is today Muslim contribution to science and technology. In this regard, first of all, I have to submit medicine because Muslim contribution to medicine is quite memorable and it's mentionable. Now let's have a look at the chart who have kept the great contribution in this section or in this side. First of all, Abu Bakr al-Razi, secondly al-Biruni, thirdly Ibn Sina, Ibn Rushd. These four great personality has kept their contribution in a wide range in the field of medicine. Abu Bakr al-Razi, his name is actually larger than that of the name if you found or you can find in the board. His full name is Abu Bakr Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi. So you have to write down on your script that what is the full name of Abu Bakr al-Razi. His full name was Abu Bakr Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi. His name was Muhammad, surname was Abu Bakr. So you have to differentiate here and you have to describe here what was his name. His full name was Muhammad. Real name was Muhammad and surname was Abu Bakr, and his father's name was Zakaria. So his name is actually built up with his name and as well as his father's name. He is commonly known as al-Razi. In generally, he was known as al-Razi. He was born in 865 AC. He was the greatest medicine scientist and surgeon. He served as principal of the government hospitals of Jandeshpur and Baghdad for a long time. As his goodwill and fame spread in all directions, in all aspects, many patients from far off places of West Asia and Eastern Europe used to come to him. So you have guessed already actually what was the contribution of Abu Bakr al-Razi. From all around of the world, as patients were used to come to him to get cure or to get benefited. In the domain of surgery, al-Razi was the greatest person of his time. His surgical operation technique was superior to that of the Greeks. In all, he wrote about 200 books. So as per he have wrote 200 books. Hey. So boys, we are talking about the Abu Bakr al-Razi, actually the contribution of his great contribution, and you know he has written a book on smallpox and measles named Al-Judairi wal Hasbah. Medical experts were struck with awe in view of this or its originality. Another book by him bears the title Al-Mansuri. So we have to need we have to pick up the question or pick up the information. We need to note down who has written the book Al-Mansuri. So Al-Mansuri was written by Abu Bakr al-Razi, and it is written in 10 volumes. So how many volumes has the book Al-Mansuri? It has 10 volumes. We need to also note down. These two books have immortalized him in medical science. So not only him, actually its contribution is consumed, or actually by this contribution we the people till now are get benefited or getting benefited. Now his others contribution, he introduces new theories on the treatment of measles, pediatrics, neurophysiatry, etc. In his work, Al-Mansuri mentions such diverse topics as astronomy or anatomy, physiology, brain, principles of hygiene, dermatology, cosmetic items, surgery, poison, fever, etc. So these are the fields of treatment or medicine, actually medical science, which is very much important in the realm of medicine, and medical science was improved by the theory of Abu Bakr Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi. Anatomy, physiology, brain, principles of hygiene, dermatology, cosmetic items, surgery, poison, fever, etc. So you can write down, and also you can write down his death time. I mean, he died in 925 AD. So boys, you are suggested to write down he died, or this great personality has passed away in 925 AC.